Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 first, open close, exercise number FCE049. Let's start with number 1. When I arrived at the office and saw the boss in such a bad mood, I knew it was blank to be a bad day for everyone. The correct answer is going. Going to be is used for future intentions or predictions. For example, it's going to be a great day. Another example is, she is going to study abroad next year. Moving on to number 2. Although Herman Tulloch's book only came blank a week ago, it has already been surrounded by controversy. The correct answer is out. Came out means to be published or released. For example, her new album came out last month. Another example is, the truth finally came out during the trial. Next up, question 3. I am not angry at you because you failed the exam, but because I don't think you tried your best. Sometimes it seems as though you don't even blank an effort and would prefer to ride around the neighborhood on your bike. The correct answer is make. Make an effort means to try hard. For example, you need to make an effort in your studies. Another example is, he always makes an effort to be polite. Here's question 4. For the first few weeks, you have to do simple jobs such as photocopying and typing. Then, when you are used blank the office, there will be other things you can do. The correct answer is to. Used to means to become accustomed to. For example, I'm used to waking up early. Another example is, he's used to the cold weather now. On to question 5. After arriving at the airport, come out of the main doors and you will see blank pedestrian walkway above you. I will meet you there. The correct answer is a. A is an indefinite article used before singular nouns. For example, I saw a bird. Another example is, she bought a new car. Question 6. I wish you wouldn't make blank so many stories. I never know when to believe you. The correct answer is up. Make up means to invent. For example, she likes to make up stories. Another example is, he made up an excuse to leave early. Question 7. You blank have come to work today. Didn't you know it was a holiday? The correct answer is needn't. Needn't means not necessary. For example, you needn't worry about it. Another example is, you needn't have bought a gift. And now, the last one, question 8. We are meeting at 6 p.m. at Tony's house and then leaving for the theatre, an hour blank. The correct answer is later. Later is used to indicate a time after the present. For example, I'll see you later. Another example is, she called me later that evening. That's all today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.